Welcome back, friends. Today, we're going to make an amazing painting effect that you can apply to any photo. If you like this kind of content, please don't forget to click those like and subscribe buttons. It really helps. I'll start by opening a new picture from pixabay.com. I've always wanted to go to Cinque Terre in Italy. So, let me search for that. Wow, this one will do nicely. I'll drag and drop it into Affinity Photo to start off this project. I'll start by duplicating the photo twice. To do that, I'll press Command+J on my Mac twice, or Ctrl+J on a PC. Next, I'll select the top layer and go to Filters in the menu bar, then select Detect and then Detect Edges. I'll then invert the top layer by pressing Command-I on my Mac or Control-I on a PC. We'll turn the top layer off for now and select the middle layer. We're going to blur this a bit by going to the Live Filter button and selecting Gaussian Blur. I'll adjust the slider to about 8 pixels. Again on the middle layer, I'll select another adjustment. This time, we'll choose the HSL adjustment. We'll adjust the HSL saturation slider to around 33%. I can mess around with the specific color of red I want by selecting the red dot and then playing with the nodes on the color wheel until it's just right. Finally, we'll go up to the top layer and turn it back on. Then, we can try a few of the different blending modes to see what works best. I think I'll pick soft light. That's it. Easy breezy. Beautiful, isn't it? A real work of art, I'd say. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks for joining me today. If you liked what you saw, please click those like and subscribe button below. Have a great day, everyone.